Welcome to my Car and Train channel. Today I want to do the unboxing of this train set that has been built by Feldstein. They call that a table or a desktop train set. When they say desktop, I would say rather table, you know. For me, when I heard desktop, I thought that it was more like for an office, but that means that it goes on a table. So I have already actually, so that the video is not too long, I have already unboxed it. It was completely new. So inside you have all those compartments. So you have one for the locomotive, you have one for the tender, you have two for the rail cars, and everything else is for the track. And you put it together, it's very easy. Just be careful because the tabs, they are not very well manufactured, so you need a little bit of convincing, but it goes fairly well. They call that the coal car, I call that the tender. So in the tender, you put 4 batteries, double A's, that's easy, and you are going to see. You press the button and it goes. And it's even lighted. Cute, so it's a 440. It's the famous, I would call that the Western locomotive that you see in the Western movies. The same that was in the Buster Keaton, the general during the Civil War, the famous Virginia and many others. So it's your typical American locomotive. It's working very well, not very expensive. So if you want to have fun with this toy, it was for sale back in the days. There is still the price point. So I think that it was for sale. Let me make sure that I don't hit the locomotive. It was for sale for $25. I think if I recognize the sticker, it may be like a Macy's. Must have been sold by those retail stores. Okay. And if you want to see a little bit more about the undercarriage, no brainer here. It seems that there is a switch, and this switch is important because I think this is what make it move. Let's see. Yeah, you see, when it's not applied, it needs to be on the track for whatever reason. If it's not on the track, it's not moving. Let me put it back so that you can enjoy it. Likely a safety, I'm not sure. There you go. Well, if you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section, and thank you very much for watching this video.